What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we may have a scary one. We're gonna be talking about something that I thought about, but I didn't think about too much until I got a comment. So if you don't know, my last video was talking about how I got 30 miles per gallon on this Toyota Tacoma. Now that was all fun and dandy. I went to the beach, enjoyed a little beach trip, and then, well, we got back home, uploaded a video, and then someone said, have you checked your paint yet? There's the train on cue. I mean, it wouldn't be an Aing video without the train interrupting. I got home, I washed the truck. I wanted to make sure I could keep it cleaner. I didn't want sand to sit on it. I didn't want a lot of dirt to sit on it for a very long time. As soon as I got back, the next day I woke up, ate some food, washed the truck right away. It looks really, really good, but I haven't done a thorough walk around. Now, it was 500 miles. I was behind semis. I was behind trucks with big muddy tires. So, I mean, I'm sure a lot of stuff got kicked up at this truck. Now, 500 miles isn't too much on a Tacoma, of course, but on Toyota paint, that's a different thing. So that's what we're talking about in today's video. If you're interested, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. You already know the dealio, but without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, we are gonna save the very best for last. That's the front, because obviously that's where, if there is any damage, that's where we're gonna take a look. But we're gonna go over the front area there, the back here, because this one did not come with mud flaps. I went over a couple of gravel roads. Something could definitely have came up right there, there, and then of course the front. So let's start right here. We'll go around and take a look. Now you may be asking yourself, why is this important? Well, because on my 2020 Sport, I didn't care. I felt like whatever. And then as I started to like the truck more and love it more, I started to care. And when I realized, you know, I had a bunch of scuffs, a bunch of dings, it was kind of too late. Now I can't really prevent anything from happening, but if there's like dirt or something sitting on there, I can wipe it off, clean it before. Now I recommend this if you care about your truck, but if you don't, well then who cares? So we're starting up here. When I was washing it, I realized that a lot of stuff gets stuck like in this area, so I wiped it as much as I could. Right here, we're still looking good, so nothing there. One thing I like about Toyotas here, they like undercoat it with some type of paint protection. I don't know how well you guys can see it. Oh yeah, you definitely can see it. Funny story, when I first got my white Tacoma, it was an SR and it had that, and I literally went to the dealership after hours, pulled up next to another Tacoma and checked if it had it, because I thought that they had messed up my paint. But no, yeah, Toyota meant to do that. If you don't know, something really good and actually really useful, so thanks Toyota. On my old Tacoma, on the bigger wheels, stuff would come out all the way over here and scrape all right here. I had a big dent just from one rock, I'm assuming, but probably was a meteor that hit right here. We're good, we're looking good so far. Take a look at this on your Tacoma. You'll probably see that around here, it gets really dirty for some reason. So I wiped all of this, made sure I cleaned it as much as I could, and we're still looking nice and dandy. I really like that they have these protective films. I'm gonna keep talking about it because it's awesome. All right, so now we're on the other side. Still looking nice and dandy here. I don't see anything major. Right here, there's a little bit more buildup than on the other side, which is a little weird. I don't understand that. Down here, I don't see nothing. We're good, we're chilling. We are chilling. Spider webs, I regret doing that. All right, now let's look at the front, because I feel like this is where most stuff goes wrong. We're good, we're still chilling. Nice. All right, now time for the front. This is where I am the most worried, because I feel like there may be something, and once you see something on your baby, you can't unsee it. Now the Voodoo Blue has been my dream color. Voodoo Blue, I wanted it since I first saw it. Unfortunately, it just didn't work out to where I couldn't get it. Before it was on the pros, and then Toyota decided to make it more available for everybody. And well, now that it's available for everybody, your boy had to have it. So we're going in slowly. I guess we'll go from right to left and hope we don't see anything. Now, what scares me is if I find something, I am gonna buy a new bumper, I'm gonna buy a new side panel, I'm gonna buy a new hood or a new grill. Okay, whatever I have to do to have a perfect Tacoma. It looks like a dead bug right there. So nothing yet. Down here, I'm finding a lot of these little imperfections, but I'll put that in a different video. I don't see absolutely anything. A dead bug. We're chilling. Nothing down here. All right, a little bit. That looks like some goo from the when I got this, they still had a bunch of paper on it, that transportation packaging stuff all over it. So okay, all right, so thankfully we have passed. We have passed the 500-mile test on the paint. We're actually going on a road trip again this weekend, maybe, just maybe, if the weather permits, of course. We're gonna take it out again, so I hope we pass again. But it's just kind of a thing where the more you do it, the more you are prone to getting a rock chip, something damaging the paint. My 2020 Sport was all destroyed up front. I mean, but that's from off-roading, being behind trucks while off-roading. But I plan to baby this one a little bit better, just because, again, the blue is such a beautiful color, and I feel like if it has paint chips in it, it could be a very ugly color. So now I know there's very obvious solutions. Don't drive, put a brawl on it, or put some paint protection. I do plan on doing paint protection. I don't know how soon. I'm looking into it. I don't know how pricey it is, so let me know. What do you guys think? Anything else that I could do to prevent it other than, you know, the 3 that I just stated? I'm really excited. I don't know, maybe because I'm just so in love with it, I want to baby it as much as I can. But with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.